Are you thinking about selling your home and looking for a motivated buyer with the ability to actually close at the price that you are looking for in the time frame you want right here in Northern Virginia? Well, if so, we have several cash buyers from our VIP buyer list who are looking to buy right now. So if you're interested in a no obligation, all cash offer in your home, all you got to do is message me. Just tell me a little bit about the property, maybe show me a couple photos, tell me when you want to sell, and I can match you up with the most hassle-free sale that you could ever ask for. We can bypass the whole traditional market with no photographers, no fixing up, no open houses, very little stress, and I can get you an offer for the price and terms you are happy with. My name is Jon DeHart. I'm with the Homes from DeHart Real Estate team here at Keller Williams. Feel free to message me or call me at 703-286-9771. Again, it's 703-286-9771. I look forward to helping you.